This is the ECG machine. The abbreviation of ECG is electrocardiogram. The purpose of using ECG machine is to record the electrical activity of the heart. So now we are going to see the ECG machine of contact plan. So now I am going to tell you about the physical apparatus present here, and I am also going to demonstrate the application feature of using this ECG machine. So first I am going to tell you about the display section. So here we are using LCD display. So here we can see the apparatus changing settings and results output here. And here you can see the printer section. So for opening the section I am going to pull this button has the arrow indication. So inside you can see we have kept the thermal sheet paper. So I'm just locking the printer section. So now I am going to tell you the application feature of this device. First of all, you can see here there are two kinds of LED light indications. So first one indicates the power on or off condition. Then above that you can see other one LED indication, which is the AC power supply or battery aided settings. So as we know, ECG is used in critical care department or emergency department. It is mandatory to have a battery setting in the every ECG machine. So now I am going to on my ECG machine. So it's in loading section. So this is the prominent display of the ECG. So here you can see So now I am going to press this menu button. So this menu button is used as a main or home button here. So here you can see the option new. So if I click the new option, I can enter the new patient IDs. So for clicking the new patient IDs and for entering their name, age and weight, so I have to go to this system button. So I am going to click this system option by pressing this key. So to click the system button, I am just again pressing the set option. So here you can see the backlight, power alarm, key, voice, language and info input. So in this info input, I have to click this by pressing this down button. So after clicking this info button, I have to check whether it is in on or off condition. So if it is in off condition, I have to keep in on condition for entering the patient IDs. So I am just keeping in on condition. So now again I am going to menu and again I am giving new option and print. So after clicking this, I can enter the name of the patients by choosing the alphabets present here. Even I can enter the patient names by giving any numbers also for my indications. So down you can see sex. So I can enter if they are male or female. So here age and weight in kgs. So I can enter everything here. Then I can press again my menu button. So now I am going to sample mode. So in the sample mode you can see the AC filter, EMG filter and demo mode. So AC filter and EMG filter are used as a filter for avoiding any glitches or overlapping of the ECG waves in the display. So in demo mode. So demo mode is used for giving a demo sampling or demo reports for the doctor or any application specialist. So if I click the demo mode in on condition, you can see my screen has like this. So my device is in demo condition. So you can see one ECG waveform is going and you can see the heart rate coming from here. So this heart rate indicates the normal activity of the patient. So now I have kept in demo mode and visiting the further applications. So now again I am going to my menu mode. So here you can see we have print options. So for printing the results, we can click the print options. And in about you can see the version of the board present inside the ECG machines. So this will be useful for the service engineer to update the version of the ECG boards under any applications. So after this, if I go to achieve, you can see whether my device is in demo condition or any patient demo is going on like that. So again back to menu mode. So again here time. So if I click this time button, you can see the date, month, year and times in seconds and minutes can be adjusted here. So in analyst mode, I can keep this analyst mode for any further application. So I can keep my rhythm lead, which lead I am going to check particularly, or premature percentage I can set here, and pass time. Pass time is like if your display is going on, if you have to pass anything or nothing, it will be acting. So the seconds you enter here will be displayed over there, and you can see here TAC. So TAC means tachycardia. So here I can set the limit of tachycardia. If I am setting here 100, my device will indicate if the patient is having the heartbeat more than 100. So down you can see BRD. So this indicates bradycardia. So here I have entered 60. So if the patient heartbeats goes below the 60, my machine indicates alarm notification. It's like bradycardia or any tachycardia. So this is like analyst mode. So I can set the parameters what I have to get the results from the patients. So these are the parameters present in this menu mode. So again I am back to the display. So again I am pressing this mode. You can see 2 into 6. So if I am having 2 into 6, you can see I will be getting two ECG leads with 6 waveforms coming out from in the printer side. So again I am pressing this. So 3 into 4. So 3 waves with 4 waves coming out from here. So like this we have 4 into 3, 2 into 6 plus 1, and 3 into 4 plus 1. So these are the various outputs we can keep for getting our printout results. So again here you can see one button. So here you can see one button, 1 MV. So this button is used as a calibration mode. If I am clicking this button, you can see my display coming from the first. So like this it will be coming out. Why we are using this calibration mode is if your waves or anything is smudging or overlapping between any waves, you can press this. So again your wave will be starting from the starting point. So this we are using this 1 MV mode button. So again you can see this print button. So if I click this print button, my results will be coming from this printout. So if I am again clicking this button, the printing will be stopped. So you can see here one send button. So here send indicates the sensitivity mode. So I am clicking the send button. So you can see my amplitude will be adjusted. So I am clicking. So my amplitudes will be adjusted. So you can see 20 MV per MV. So 2.5. So you can see the size variation between the modes I am adjusting. So the minimum of the sensitivity starts from 2.5 to, it will be going from 2.5, 5, 10 and 20. So again from 2.5. So these are the sensitivity mode for adjusting the size of the waves as displayed here. So again you can see speed. So the speed indicates the paper speed. So from the printer you can get the results. So I am clicking the speed option. You can see the speed coming from here. So I am setting in minimum speed of 6.2. So I have kept in minimum mode 6.25 and I am increasing this by again clicking the speed mode. So now you can see 12.5. You can see my waves coming. So now I am going to keep in 25. So you can see the speed of the wave coming from, and I am going to again increase this. So the maximum of the speed option is 50 mm per seconds. So from minimum 6.25 to I can adjust from 50 mm per second. So this is the speed of the paper coming out from the printer. So again filter. So if I am clicking this filter mode, my device has to be in patient condition. So I have to off this demo condition. So again I am going to menu. I am clicking my sample. So in this demo mode, I am going to turn off this demo mode by clicking off. So again I am going to menu. So now you can see no waves or no heartbeat will be displayed. So the leads off will be condition will be displayed. Had we have connected no leads to any patients. So here I can change my filters. So by clicking this filter option, you can see here my filter is off. I'm going to click this. First I can use AC filter. So again I can use EMG filter, electromyogram filter, and again AC plus EMG filter. So these filters act to filter the any overclutching or merging of ECG waveforms coming in this display or from the printer. So again I am clicking this, you can see DFT. So this indicates discrete Fourier transform filter. So it acts as a baseline filter to avoid the glitching or over merging of the ECG waveforms. So again I am pressing the filter. So you can see AC plus DFT. Again EMG plus DFT. So this is the final mode. So you can see AC plus EMG plus DFT. So if I am again clicking this, I will be going to off condition of the filter. So these are the modes present here. And you can see this button. So for clicking anything, I have to set this set button. As I told you earlier, it is used as an enter button. For going previous result, I can press this previous button. For next thing, I have to press this next button. For going upper section, I have to click this upper button. And for downer section, I have to press this downer button. So these are the physical software application of this contact ECG machine.